Hello to you, I'm Carly from Learn English with Carly and welcome to today's English lesson. Today I'm at Cleveland Dam here in North Vancouver, one of my favourite places to visit and film. As you can see behind me, the snow arrived. It's a little bit snowy up on the mountains, but none at the moment here in North Van. It's wintry, it's a bit chilly, so I'm going to start our lesson ASAP, as soon as possible. Before I do, please be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and to feel free to comment on any of the videos on this channel. I am here to help you with your English. On that note, the word help. You probably learnt this quite early on in your English learning. Today we're going to learn phrasal verbs that use help. Phrasal verbs are verbs that are followed by a preposition. I will provide you with good examples of how to use these phrasal verbs in different tenses and show you where to put the preposition. The following language presentation is in alphabetical order according to the preposition. To help along. This means to help someone's physical movement or to help the progress of someone or something. Mia asked a few questions to help the conversation along. I helped the old lady along. The girl has hurt her leg. Please help her along. I will help you along with your English. Notice where the preposition along is placed. That's right, after the person or thing that needed help. The conversation, the old lady, her, and you. To help by. If you help someone, you make it easier for them to do something. But we can use the preposition by to show what they can do or are doing to help. You could help me by loading the dishwasher. We help our community by picking up rubbish. The success of the picnic was helped by the beautiful weather. The students helped improve results by completing their homework on time. Again, notice where the preposition by is placed. We use to help down when we help someone descend something, usually stairs, a ladder, or a horse, for example. I helped my friend down the stairs. Can you help your grandmother down the stairs, please? Zainab, help your little brother down the steps, please. Claire helped her husband down from the ladder. Notice here that we also use from after down, as Claire is not on the ladder with her husband. She is likely helping her husband by holding the ladder steady. If I say Claire helped her husband down the ladder, then this means that she is on the ladder too, helping her husband. And in this case, that would be very dangerous. It's different with stairs and steps, where we can walk next to someone. The ladder and a horse have something in common, and again we use down from. The instructor helped the boy down from the horse. The instructor isn't on the horse with the boy, so add in from after down. Another help phrasal verb is to help someone in. We do this when we help someone enter a building or a place. Can you help your granddad in? The in here means in the house. Can you help me in the car, please? But we can also use this phrasal verb if we are helping someone to complete a task. Can you help me in finishing this job application, please? It is reported that someone helped the thief in stealing the jewels. Notice the gerund ing that follows in. We can also just use help followed by the infinitive. Can you help me finish this job application, please? It is reported that someone helped the thief steal the jewels. In the same way, we use to help into to help someone into a building, a vehicle, clothing, or other things. Let me help you into the house. Tim will help Nana into the car. The patient was helped into the ambulance. The waiter helped the lady into her coat. This means that the waiter helped the lady put her coat on. To help off is used when we need to help someone get off transport, such as a train, bus, plane, or tram. Jim held his daughter's hand as he helped her off the train. Max helped his dad off the bus. We can also use help off with clothing if you help someone remove a piece of clothing. The waiter helped the lady off with her coat. This means that the waiter helped the lady take her coat off. And to help on means to help someone put on an item or piece of clothing. Here, let me help you on with your coat. Can you help me on with my ski boots? To help out means to help, but we can only use help out for people, never for objects or things. His dad helped him out with the rent. My friend helped me out yesterday. Thank you for helping me out. Local parents helped their child's school out to raise money for a new playground. Secondly, with help out, the person receiving the help goes between the help and the out. Helped him out, or helping me out, or helped their child's school out. And our final phrasal verb with help is to help up. This is the opposite of to help down. So if you need something or someone to go up, then use this phrasal verb. I'll help you up the stairs with your luggage. The grandson helped his grandmother up the steps. Okay, how useful have you found this video? Do you think you can use these help phrasal verbs in your everyday English? Be sure to let me know by writing a comment under this video. I look forward to hearing from you. See you in our next video lesson. Take care in the meantime. Bye.